continue. Another funny phrase about number 3, 三 in Chinese is called 三天打鱼. Yu means fish. We have introduced this guy. 三天 means 3 days. 打鱼 basically means go fishing. And 两天 means 2 days. 晒网 网 in Chinese means net. Alright? So 晒网 basically means to put your net outside under the sunshine to let it dry. So 三天打鱼两天晒网 means someone planned to use 3 days to go fishing, but end up with using 2 days to dry their net. So basically, not really into it. So when you want to describe someone's doing something a little bit in a lazy way and it's kind of on and off situation, you can use this phrase 三天打鱼两天晒网. So 三天打鱼两天晒网三天打鱼两天晒网三天打鱼两天晒网